let's say I've made a couple of hexagons. You can see this is the front side of my hexagons. This is the reverse side of my hexagons, my little stitching holding them together. But now it's time for me to start joining them. One way I can join them is called the whip stitch. To do the whip stitch, I'm going to line up my hexagons the way that I want them to be. And I want to put one on top of the other, pretty side to pretty side, the side that's facing out. I'm gonna have them on top of each other just like this, like they're giving each other a little kiss. And then to hold them together, if you have some pins, it makes it a little bit easier. You can pin them together. I have some of these little clips. Sometimes I like to use those. This is the edge that we're going to join right here. So whichever way you prefer. To start the whip stitch, we want to start right as close to the corner as possible. And I'm going to go in through the purple and out through the green, taking just the tiniest little bite. I'm using my red thread so that I can see what I'm doing. Oops. But you probably want to choose a color that's more in line with the colors of your fabric. Now, instead of normally doing a running stitch coming back the same way, I'm gonna go over, bring my thread back to the front, and once again, I'm going to go through the purple and out through the green. Make sure your thread's out of the way. You don't wanna make a knot or get tangled or anything. My thread here is a little bit slippery. Through the purple and the green, just taking the tiniest little bite, just a couple of threads of fabric. The bigger the bite you take, the more you're going to see your stitches on the front when you open it up. And you're gonna end up with a bigger ridge. It's not gonna lay as flat. So we're gonna continue on. When I get to the end, take out my pin, open this up, and you can see I've taken tiny little bites so you can hardly see my stitches at all, and if they matched the fabric, you wouldn't be able to see them. You see them because I'm using red thread. At this point, you can either tie a knot if you're done stitching, or you might want to add your next hexagon right along here and keep adding your hexagons to build your piece.